Let's talk about the difference between prohibition of drugs, decriminalized drug use, and legal drugs. I frequently see comments that say, legal drugs? Are you mad? Look at Vancouver, Portland, or Seattle. None of those places have legal drug stores. They have decriminalized drug use. That just means they give people a fine and confiscate their property. People are still forced to use unregulated drugs, just as with cities that have prohibition of drugs like Kensington. For a more apt comparison, we have to look at a substance that has already went through these conditions, like alcohol. Decriminalized drug use means the cops won't put you in prison for drinking moonshine. Prohibition of drugs means they will. Legal drugs means bars and liquor stores are open to the public. The alcohol is regulated so people aren't consuming furniture polish liquor. We can look at the science of decriminalized drug use in Oregon to see what difference, if any, exists, and what we find is that the death rate from drug use isn't any better or worse to surrounding states. This is because the drug supply is not decriminalized. People are still consuming unregulated drugs which are adulterated. People do not know what they are getting. When the dose makes the poison, that is a vital piece of information to have. We know that when people know the contents and dosages of their drugs, their risk of death is dramatically reduced. This is not conjecture. We have the science. So what we need to do is tell the government representatives to legalize all drugs. Just like alcohol. Use this website and tell them you demand satisfaction.